Okay guys, so as you can see from the thumbnail, I am doing a makeover on my fireplace. So if you haven't guessed already, I am painting the brick solid. And so I will be painting it the same color as the hutch on the side of the fireplace. I've already started with a couple of bricks, and so now I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of the bricks. Okay, so this is halfway done. I just wanted you guys to see the difference. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out, and what a difference. This makes such a big difference. The room is bright and I just absolutely love it. So guys, it did take a little while to get this done. I'm not going to lie, because as you can see, this is a beast of a fireplace, but it was so worth it. So if you guys are out there living with brick that you don't love, I would try this. It really opens up the space and gives the room such a brighter feel. And I just used a neutral color to match my kitchen cabinet. Okay guys, so stay tuned because I want to share with you guys a personalized art piece that I had made for this area. And then we'll get the fireplace dressed for the season. Okay guys, so here are a few items that I gathered together to create a personal art piece for the fireplace. Okay, so I wanted to pull some items together for this vignette that I knew would complement the kitchen Christmas decor. And so green is my color for the season, and so I definitely wanted green to be in the vignette. And then I wanted things that were neutral and that would look good and complement the space. And so what I decided to do was to pull in my Santa Claus, and then I just gathered some other things that I thought would make the picture pop. And so at first as you can see, I have my dough bowl in the back, but then I wanted to try and have a backdrop, so I brought in 2 shutters, and then I brought in a Christmas tree. You know, just little things that you think will either work for color or for the theme. And so once I got the things together that I thought would complement the vignette for a nice photograph, I took a picture with my phone, and then I took it down to Walmart and asked them to develop it on a photo canvas. Okay guys, so this is my art piece, and I think it turned out beautiful. I was very pleased with the finish on the art piece. I just thought it popped so well. They did such a great job. You may notice that the beads and the ribbon, I switched places. I decided the ribbon looked better in the center. And so you can do something like this, personalize it to what works for your home, and then take a picture, take it down to Walmart to their photo center. And my son did mine for me, but if you are computer challenged, then they will help you at the photo center. I'm going to layer it in with some other things, and then I'm going to decorate the mantle. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is how it looks on the mantle. Now the original canvas behind it is what I have up there all the time. And so I knew that that was pretty neutral, and I wanted to bring in a pop of color. And so I had the idea to come up with something customized that would fit in with the colors that I wanted for the rest of the space. And then I just added a few mercury glass votive cups. So let's keep going. Now, it does look pretty simple now. I am going to put a few things on the sides, but I am putting garland up there, and the garland can get pretty busy. So I do want to keep the top of the mantle pretty simple. Okay, so next I've added a couple of olive buckets and evergreen trees.